Ekabo, welcome again. If you're new here, my name is Temitope Orukomini Temitope, and today we're going to be looking at possessives in Yoruba. Basically, what that means is how to say mine, yours, ours, his, hers. You get the gist. To form actually possessive words, they made up of two parts. You have T and then the pronoun. I've covered pronouns in 2 videos, so if you missed that, check the channel or the description box. We'll have a look at singular possessives first. This is what I mean by that, basically. So you have first, second person, and third person. So mine, yours, his, or hers, and I'll go through them one by one. Temi, mine, is made up of T, Emi, Temi. Temini, it is mine. Tiwo or Tire is yours. Tiwo is made up of T and Iwo. Tire is made up of T and Ire. That's how you get the 2 words. Tiwo niye, that is yours. Or you can say Tire niye, that is yours. It means exactly the same thing. Tong, his or hers, is made up of T and on. Tongko, it is not his or hers. Now onto the plural possessives, and this is what I mean by that. So you have first, second, and third person, but in the plural form. So that means, ours, yours, plural yours, and theirs. The yours here is also used for the polite form of saying your. So if you think about, if you're trying to be very polite to an elderly person or an older person, you will use the yours in this place. I've already explained that in previous videos as well, so please do check that out. Tawa, ours, is made up of T and awa. Tawa. Tawa leyi, this is ours. Teyin, yours, it's made up of T and eyin. Teyin. Teyini, it is yours. Tawon, theirs, this is made up of T and awon. Tawon. Tawon ko, it is not theirs. Well, hope you're paying attention. If you want, well, let's see how well you can do. This is just rapid fire quiz questions. It's just 3 questions. I will display the English word and then you have to fill in the gap. Don't worry too much. Just try as much as you can. And the answers will be displayed after the 3-second countdown. This book is not mine. Ìwé yìí kìí ṣe. Ìwé yìí kìí ṣe tèmi. This book is not mine. Tèmi is mine. Is this cup yours? So the singular yours. Ṣé ife yìí jẹ́? Ṣé ife yìí jẹ́ tìrẹ? Is this cup yours? It is theirs that I took, or basically I took theirs. Dash ni mo mú. Àwọn ni mo mú. It is theirs that I took. We will actually say I took theirs in English. So what did you think of that? I know it's a bit of a slightly shorter video, but I hope you got a lot out of it. As usual, practice, practice, practice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks for engaging. Please do give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm releasing content weekly at the moment. If you're interested in learning Yoruba language and about Yoruba culture, etc., make sure to tune in. Thanks again, Ẹ ṣeun gan, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.